Hello kindergarten children, it's Mrs Blackburn here. Now I'm going to do a little video about how you are going to be coming into school. Now when you arrive at the school gates you will see a sign and we're going to be keeping on the left hand side at all times. Now follow me. You will notice that there are markers on the floor, so we need to make sure that we are spaced out. So if someone is on this marker, you need to be on that marker behind. Now, so you don't get lost, look out, use your detective eyes, and you can see little arrows which will point you in the correct direction. If you've forgotten to wash your hands at home, don't you worry, because we've got some hand sanitizer here. So we just make sure that our hands are nice and clean. We keep washing them throughout the day. Now, when you come in, you're all going to be walking up this way. And then you will notice there is a different colour arrow on the floor. So kindergarten, you are going to be then following the orange arrows. I'm going to be going up through this gate here. We're going to go past the minibus, keeping to our spaces and keeping on the left hand side. I'm going to keep walking, getting all those steps in kindergarten. And we're going to go all the way. Oh my goodness, detective skills again. There's lots of different arrows here. And you may be thinking, which one is my arrow? Now, if you are in Mrs Anker's group, you're going to be walking all the way round, keeping spaced out. And Mrs Anker's will be here at the door, waiting to say hello. Now, if you're Mrs Jones's group, let's rewind. Mrs Jones's group, you're not going to go that way. You are going to follow the arrows this way. We're going to go all the way to your outdoor area. And at this gate here, you're going to ring the bell and Mrs Jones will be here to meet and greet you. Over and out for now.